Hello and welcome back to the Olymp Trade channel. As usual, my name is Alex. Today, we'll be checking out some popular videos that are making waves on some social media channels. Join me as we check out these videos to find out if they work in real trading scenarios. So now to our first video.
What's up, Stock
about
Talk?
the three white soldiers.
And we're going to teach you guys about the three white soldiers bullish candle combo. Okay, so the three white soldiers are going to be these three green large-bodied candles on the right side.
What it shows is that the sellers are being overwhelmed by the buyers.
Okay, so here's an example. We can see that this company is in a downtrend, and then we get these three white soldiers over here. And then it breaks above one of our resistance points, this blue line, the moving average. And then we can see that overall it starts to go up afterwards. Okay, so here's an actual example from Tesla back in June. So you can see a little bit of consolidation on the left side. And then you see this yellow arrow right here, that's our first white soldier. So after the three white soldiers, we can see that the buyers are now in control and the stock starts to move up over 100% over the next 2 months.
This looks pretty interesting and very easy to navigate. I think we can check it out on our screen to find out if it's very practical and we are capable of making profits with it. So let's see, on the Asian Composite Index, let's find 3 full-body candlesticks. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Price continues to move down. Oh, I think this looks exactly the same as what was shown in the video. So we have the first, a correction here. Price moves up for the next 5 minutes. The next 5 minutes, we see a spike breaking out of our key resistance. And then price continues to move up. Wow. Imagine the amount of profit that can be made using this very easy strategy without the need of any technical indicators. Looks cool. Wow. So let's start with our next video. I believe this video has to do with the Relative Strength Index, also known as the RSI. Remember we had one video about the MACD and the RSI. This is our time to test the RSI once again. So let's see.
I am trading in the gold market. 30-minute time frame Asian to London session using relative strength index strategies.
Looks fairly practical.
I placed sell orders because the relative strength index has crossed below the red and yellow moving average. Let's see if my first take profit level will be hit. Congratulations!
Okay then, I think we can check it out on the screen now. So here we go. Here we have the Asian Composite Index and the Euro USD. So based on the parameters, the rules for using the RSI, once we cross the 0 level, that is the 30th percentile, to present a reversal. So let's see. I think I'll go up here. Let's see how this. Okay, down. Let's try another one. So here I'm gonna go up. I think we'll make profits on the Euro USD. Let's see. This is super cool. Closed in profit. Let's wait for this trade to close. Then I'm tempted to add another one. But let's see how this one closes. I think we have 15 seconds more. This is the real moment of truth. And boom, made profit. Wow. I think you keep learning something new every day. You never know where these treasures can be found. Pretty interesting. Let's check out our next video. go. Use technical indicators. So guys, we've checked out 3 amazing videos to see if they work in real life. And as you can see, the results were pretty impressive. However, a word of caution. Try out these strategies on your demo account first to see if it works for you before replicating it on your live account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of such amazing content. And like this video. Bye-bye.